Each piece of glass in your vehicle is designed for a purpose. Take the windshield, for example. It isn't a piece of glass at all. A windshield is two pieces of regular glass with a piece of laminated plastic in between. But why? Most importantly, it won't kill you. When a single layer of regular glass breaks, it fractures into large shards that are extremely dangerous. The multiple layers and lamination in your windshield prevents this, as we saw in our kicking out the windshield video. Next, it stops other things from killing you. Yes, it's a graphic way to describe what a windshield does, but it's true. The windshield is incredibly resistant to large impacts. Rocks, car parts, animals, and other debris may do a serious amount of damage to your windshield, but in most cases, you remain protected. We will go through this in more detail in another video, but your windshield is an incredibly important part in the strength of your vehicle. It can account for 45% of the structural integrity in the cabin of the vehicle in a head-on collision and 60% in a rollover. Modern unibody designs are built intentionally to crunch in some areas, but then remain strong and transfer impact force in other areas, keeping you safe. You can see the difference it makes. Stay tuned to the next video for more information on the importance of glass and your safety. Windshield Surgeons Auto Glass, servicing your auto glass needs and keeping you informed since 1989.